In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini to make PowerPoint slides. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press enter. Click on the official Gemini website and sign in with your Google account if required. Once you are inside Gemini, go to the message box and enter a clear prompt. For example, you can use this prompt: generate a 10-slide presentation explaining car modernization. Include key numbers, recent studies, and general opinions. Also review how the technology has evolved over the past 10 years. Use a minimalist modern design. After entering the prompt, look for the canvas option and select it. This feature helps organize your content into a slide-friendly format, making it easier to structure your presentation. Now click Submit and wait for Gemini to generate your slides. Once it is completed, review the output carefully. Check for accuracy, clarity, and a logical flow from introduction to conclusion. If needed, make small edits to improve readability and overall quality. So that's basically how you can use Gemini to make PowerPoint slides. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.